I am going to tell one of the main problems. What is the main problem? When you keep the text inside the rectangle, the text goes behind it. What the heck? Now where's the text? Don't worry, because there's an option called in object tab lower raise. Okay, so this object is behind the rectangle, right? So if you go to object tab and if you click on raise means if two objects are there, the object lower than the object would be raised. So now the rectangle is above the text, right? So if you click on raise after selecting the text, then as you can see the text is above it. Let me make this big. So don't worry about that, okay? It's not actually a problem. So now if you want this text to be behind of it, you can just click object lower. So the text is behind. Now I am going to tell about what about three objects. Let's give a circle also. Okay. And I want this circle in middle. Okay. So I will just lower. So it's in the second. So now I want like, wait a second. Inkscape Part-4 should be in the top. Okay, so now it will be in the lower part. I want it to be in the top. So I want to first I will take this circle out of here. Why are you so down? I don't know, because I just removed the rectangle upward. Okay, so now I have to move the text, right? For that I'll just click here and object raise to top. So it will be raised to the top of the three objects, and this object I have to raise. So as you can see, this is how you raise your objects. Raise to top and raise is almost same, okay? When there are more than 2 or 3 objects, you use raise to top. Okay, that much only. This one is simple. And one more thing I am going to tell in the object tab is now. If you want to move text, sometimes what happen means you click on the rectangle, right? I also have this problem, but I found a way to solve it. What's the way? Group. Yeah. So we have to select this both. Okay, like this. Drag and select. Okay. After dragging, you have to click on object tab, and this is the group. Click on group. Now this object would be 1, so you can move it easily. So now you have to separate these. How to do that? I think you have seen an option called ungroup also when I am clicking on group. So click on ungroup. Now you can move both. Wait a second. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, it ungrouped. So this is very simple part, because I think I should start the advanced with simple. Okay, but I have to tell a lot in path tab. So I am going to tell about path tab. Now I am going to tell about the path tab. Okay, so what is path tab? So first you need a rectangle and a circle. Where I have to draw the circle means in the corner here, almost around here. Okay, now what you have to do is select both objects. I recommend doing this from the right bottom corner, so it is close to path. Okay, so now these 6 options I am going to tell about. So simple, right? The first one is union. There are figures which you can understand. Union means, look at the figure so you can understand it pretty fast. Union means both images would almost join together. Okay, so if I click on union, as you can see, the circle and its border. Now I am going to tell it clearly. This line, okay, this line will get erased and the circle would get joined to the rectangle. According to the rectangle's color or the other object's color, the circle would get the same color. Okay. So to practice it, press Ctrl plus Z. Okay. After you have done union, then press Ctrl plus Z. Okay. So as you can see, now it returned to the same state. Then now I have to select both again, and now I am going to tell about difference. Okay. Path difference. Difference means the circle, the intersecting part plus the circle. This is the intersecting part, right? And the circle would be removed. So this part only would be there. As you can see, the circle removed and the intersecting part also removed. Okay. So this is how the figure looks. Just press Ctrl plus Z again. Okay. So now select it again. This is how you practice path tab. Then click on path. Next one is intersection. Intersection means where are the two objects intersecting, that part would be kept, as you can see in the figure. So now this part is kept. Okay. Okay, fine. So the next one, as you can see, it is going fast, right? Today it will be simple. I don't know what about the next part. Okay. So I have again going to the path tab. Next one is exclusion. The intersecting part would be white. Okay, the intersecting part would be white and the both parts would be joined. I think you can't understand this. Okay, now as you can see, the intersecting part became white and the circle's other part became yellow. This is great for creating pixels. Okay. So the next one is selected. The next one is go to path tab, division. Division means where is non-intersecting part would be removed. So as you can see, the non-intersecting part has been removed, and this part you can place it in other parts like this. So now the figure looks pretty cool, right? So one more thing to tell. The last one I am going to tell today. Today's video might be short, I don't know. Wait, sometimes you may select it wrong. Okay. So the last one is go to path tab, cut path. I don't know why is this used seriously, because now the object isn't there. I think it's used to remove the object fast. Okay. It is used to remove the object. So that much only. You thought it was a big video, right? That much only. So if you like this, give it a like. Even if you dislike, I have seen the last 2 videos, 3 videos I had a dislike. Please comment why are you disliking. Okay, then only I can improve. Fine. So the next video, I don't know what I am going to do, but next video also would be, I think, filters, but I don't know. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.